Hello.
Hello, how are
Yeah,
you?
yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yes, good, thank you.
So, can I share my screen?
Yes, or I can share mine as well to show you.
Okay, you can share. Let me share you the permission. Okay. Now you can share your
Yeah?
screen.
Okay. So what I'm thinking is, first of all, on this page,
Yeah,
it says sold out.
yeah.
So I need something that says like this,
Yeah.
coming soon,
Notify when available. Yeah, got
notify,
it.
and then like something like this. I can screenshot you this.
So can you click on the comment zone? Is it clickable or just a text?
Yeah, just the text, and
Oh,
then it's
oh,
this.
yeah.
Or
S-
you could click it and then it could come like this.
Yeah. So basically, when any product out of stock, that will show coming soon, notify when available, and it will display this email box, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna screenshot that. Okay,
You can
okay.
think about that.
Yes, I'll have a think.
Yeah.
Yes, I will have a think. Um, do you do Clavico, the Clavio email marketing?
Yeah. Yeah. I prefer Klaviyo. You can also try Klaviyo in other email marketing platform like Mailchimp, Weaver. Klaviyo is
Mm-hmm.
perfect. Okay, I'll set up it on here. No problem. No problem.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Bye. So you will get the update tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.